Hello, this is just a quick video in case this could be useful to somebody else. So this is a Sony KDL-42W706B. Had it for a few years, smart TV. Although the smart functions are getting a bit sluggish and limited number of apps, the picture was still fine, still quite a nice 42-inch TV. However, last week it started to reboot on any source, whether it's a HDMI input or one of the smart apps. So it meant really watching a film was impossible. Every 5 minutes it would reboot and you'd have to go into the Netflix app and restart it and so on. So it was really becoming unusable. So I did find that the power input connection here, if you moved it, it did seem to make the problem worse, but taping it fixed didn't improve the matter. It still rebooted every few minutes. Interestingly, I found that the screen would freeze before it actually did a reboot. So while I was entering a password for one of the apps, you could see it receiving the inputs from the remote control, but it froze the display, and then a few seconds after that it would then do the reboot. Anyway, I thought I'd just show you very quickly what I've done here. The screws are easily marked, so the back cover comes off like so, and this is the power supply board that I was suspecting I might need to replace. The 4 screws here I've taken out. The heatsink comes off very easily. These are the screws there that come from the board, and all I did was take off these 2 connectors and resolder the capacitors here. I mean, they looked okay, but they're quite big areas for the wires here, and I was just guessing what might be a problem. So I did those, I resoldered those, and the underside here where the actual power input comes in, I resoldered those, and I've put it back. I've been running it for a whole film, and well, so far no reboots. So maybe you could try that if you're not good at soldering, you don't have the equipment. Maybe try to replace this this board. The serial number here or the code might be useful to get a replacement. Anyway, that seems to have done the trick for me. Fingers crossed that it remains so. Thanks for watching.